Welcome to the PosiCharge how-to video series. This is the fourth video in a series we've put together for the ProCore Edge Opportunity Charger. If you remember, in the first video we introduced you to the features and benefits of the ProCore Edge. In the second video we showed you how to set up and position your charger. And in the third video we showed you the basics of operating your ProCore Edge. In this fourth video we'll show you how to perform the initial software setup and how to update the firmware. As a side note, the procedures we're about to show you are provided in the ProCore Edge Installation, Operation, Service, and Maintenance Manual. So before we continue, we encourage you to download a PDF copy of the manual from the PosiCharge website. Simply go to posicharge.com, select Products at the top right corner of the web page, followed by Product Resources. When the page refreshes, select Manuals and locate the North American Installation, Service, and Maintenance Manual. Then click on Download. If you'd like to download the manual now, just pause this video, and after you've saved the PDF to your computer, you can click on the play button below to continue. Now that you have the manual on your PC, let's take a look at the two topics we'll cover in this video. The initial software setup begins on page 45, and the firmware update begins on page 79. Let's jump right in. To perform the initial software setup, you'll need the following items: a USB cable type AB, a personal computer that's running a 64-bit system with Windows 7 or 10, or a PC that's running a 32-bit system with Windows 7 or 8, 10 or 11, or Vista or XP. You'll also need Pilot Term 1.008 or later installed on the PC, and the AVB file, which you should have stored on your PC, preferably somewhere that's easy to find, so you can load that file onto your ProCore Edge. If those items are ready to use, begin by powering up your ProCore Edge. Next, attach the A-type end of the USB cable to the USB port on your PC. Then attach the B-type end of the USB cable to the USB port, which is located on the left-hand side of the charger. Next, open the Pilot Term program on your PC. Once the program is open, click on the Settings tab. On the top left corner of the program, you'll see the COM port drop-down menu. Use that to select Connect COM port. Now go to the Update Firmware tab and use the Browse button to find the AVB file you have on your PC. You'll want to upload this file to the program. Next, click on the Update Now button. Please note, it may take several minutes for the program to complete the update process, but you'll see the progress bar on the bottom right-hand side of the Pilot Term program, so you'll know when it's nearly finished. When the process is complete, you'll see Upload Successful on the display. If you see the message Upload Failed, simply power cycle the charger, then immediately select the Update Now button once again. After confirming the upload was successful, select the Terminal tab again and enter VER in lowercase letters in the Send Data box at the bottom of the page. Then click on Send. The terminal window in the Pilot Term program will display the software version. Simply confirm it was the one you just uploaded, and confirm the run mode is Release in all capital letters as shown here. The firmware you just loaded onto your ProCore Edge should begin to run. At this point, the update is complete, and you can unplug the USB cable from your PC and the charger. Now let's go through the firmware update procedure. To begin, be sure you have the software updater on your iPhone, as well as the ProCore mobile app. You can download these by stopping this video and using the QR codes provided here. You can also find instructions for downloading these apps on page 79 of the Installation, Operation, Service, and Maintenance Manual. Begin by opening the App Store icon on your iPhone. Then follow the prompts for installing both apps. Please note, You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to complete this process. Open the software updater on your iPhone. You should see the ProCore software. Select that file. But please note, if you have multiple chargers in one room, you'll need to select the correct charger being updated before continuing. But again, you will only need to do this if there are multiple chargers in the vicinity. With the charger selected, the update should begin automatically. And you'll see a timer at the bottom of your iPhone showing you how much time remains for the update to be completed. If for any reason the update process fails, simply reselect the updater icon on your iPhone, and when it opens, reselect the software to be updated. Please note, during this process, the app will identify your charger. When the update is complete, the firmware version will be displayed just below the name of your charger. You can then close the app. We hope this video has helped you with the software and firmware update for your ProCore Edge. If you need technical assistance, please contact us at 866-767-4242 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or California time, Monday through Friday. However, we do ask that you have a few items on hand before you call. This includes the charger SKU or serial number, the module SKU or serial number, a company contact name, a detailed description of the problem and any fault codes, a data download if possible, a shipping contact name, a shipping phone number, and a shipping address.